Welcome to Thrifted Treasures and Holiday Decor. Join our adventure. We welcome you to join us in our magical thrifting adventure.
Doc, are you okay? Yep. Oi.
Hey, so we're visiting the Goodwill and we're gonna head on in. See. Oh.
Hey guys. Karen. Eric. Yes. This is pricey. These are cool rings. 300? What happened to this? Oh, well. Here, the watches. $1.99. That one over there. Oh, Karen, what did you find? What's that?
Oh, I found these pictures. I love them.
Nice. What is the other one?
There's one more. Check this out.
Oh, nice. Thank you. That looks nice. Embrace the hunt. See what we find today. Oh,
So the color is orange and half off, and look what we see. Beautiful Thanksgiving dishes.
Nice. Let me see.
And they're just our color, so I think we're gonna do it.
Yep. Awesome. Very good. This lady found this here. What is it? Like a outside basket? Yeah.
Metal.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Uniforms or I'm not sure
The
what those
horses,
are.
coffee cups, mugs, that aisle, it's a pretty big aisle. A lot of items that are half off. A lot of oranges. Oh look, some trick or treat. And of course this one is regular price. Look at this one, the Campbell soup. And Dave, the beloved. How much? $3.99, not bad. There's a lot of Christmas stuff here. Snow White, fall, some cool snow glue, Christmas. Oh, what is this? That's cool. Found that too. Yeah. Yes. If you ever had a VHS, this was the best way to rewind them. It was just much faster. You put it in there and close it and it will rewind. Line all the way to the back. Here's the line. Way over there is the line. Yeah. Long day of thrifting. We're here having to cook. You have to cook your own food. They bring it to you on a plate, and then you like put it in there with butter. They bring you vegetables and whatever you order. And Eric ordered what drink do you have?
An orange mule.
Orange mule, and I got Karen got an orange mule, and Karen got an orange mule too.
Please subscribe and like. Share your own story with us in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.